Hi, I'm Lita Iridium. Hope you're doing okay. Another reaction to do. So this band have been together a while and I've never heard them before. It's Shaman's Harvest. They've got a new song out called Bird Dog. Bit of a strange title. But the reason I'm doing a reaction to this, and it could be a risk, it's come out as the most sort of suggested song or the best single on Classic Rock magazine. So a real risk. This could be terrible because I know that not every single that's been voted for on Classic Rock, the best single of the week or the month, whatever, has been the best. Classic Rock magazine covers a lot of genres, some that I don't like, some that I do. So this band were founded in 1996. Rock band, 6 albums so far. I think they're signed to Mascot Records. They were on their last album anyway. The band consists of Nathan Hunt on the vocals, Josh Hamler on the rhythm guitar, Matt Fisher on the bass, Derek Shipp on the lead guitar, and Adam Zemanek on the drums. Always has to be someone that I've trouble pronouncing. That'd be a difficult name. Anyway, so I really don't know anything about this band, so this could be a disaster. But I thought, as it's voted for the best single, I think for the month or something like that, well, they should get a bit of love from me. Hopefully, a bit of love. It could be like the opposite. Don't know what to expect, really don't, but looking forward to it at the same time. There you go, you can't love everything, can you? But Shaman's Harvest and Bird Dog. Here we go. Love the Southern rock feel.
There's a blackbird perched up on a black dog, and they're blind your eyes, gazing in the backyard. And there's an old man keeps his money in his old bed, and he ain't handing out no prize, just takes it to his deathbed. He ain't waiting for no prize, just takes it to his deathbed. Bring out a rose, put down a rose, lay down a rose in the cemetery. Bring out a rose, put down a rose, lay down a rose in the cemetery. This dirt road leading up to a dirt farm, the only house to the table from the pills made in the bathtub. And there's Boyer, his old buddies call him Gunny, keeps his honor in a lockbox, locked up in the basement. Keeps all his honor in a lockbox, locked up in the basement. Bring out your guns, put down your guns, lay down your guns in the cemetery. Bring out your guns, put down your guns, lay down your guns in the cemetery.
I love it. I absolutely love this song. So, didn't know what to expect. This has got, well, anyone who knows me knows I love a bit of Southern rock when it's done right. Blackberry Smoke are just, you know, one of my favourite bands ever. Also the Steel Woods. This has got a real Steel Woods feel for me, which is an album that I reviewed late in the last few weeks. They had a great album out, All of Your Stones. And this has got that real dark southern feel to it. Something completely different. You know, that's what you want. This is giving you something that's a bit, as soon as you hear it, you're thinking that's something special. Love the vocal, like the deep vocals all the way through it. But then it lifts into that chorus, which really hits you because you've got that real mellow, dark sort of verses. Then bang, when the guitar comes in, it just hits you miles more than it should do, because it's just the light and the shade of the song. You know, the light parts and the heavy parts make the heavy parts really interesting and lift. I absolutely love this. I don't even know if it's like, are they a southern rock band? I don't know what I heard about them. They were just a rock band. Well, this is definitely southern rock. Whether this is like something they're doing differently now, or whether this is just a one-off southern rock song, I hope not. Because if this is like how they sound in general, this is absolutely fucking excellent. I love it. I love the darkness of the video as well. Everything about it is great. Some real, like I said, southern tones coming through, especially on the instruments. You can hear everything. It's absolutely fantastic. Great production as well. The drum sound is mental. It's just really sort of sharp, punchy. Everything about the production is punchy. The mix is just fantastic on this. I love it. I absolutely love this song. Let's listen to the rest of this. I don't think they've got an album coming out. There's no album announced, which is a shame, because I want to... There's no album announced as far as I can see, so that's a shame. But I mean, obviously there will be soon, because I think the last one came out a few years ago. But man, this is brilliant, an absolutely brilliant song. Let's listen to I love the vocals are just fantastic, even though they're at that lower range. He just sounds so fucking mean, this guy. He's called Nathan Hunt. He's the vocalist. Great job. Let's listen to the rest of this now.
Find yourself in Franklin County. Won't you turn on back, or you won't leave here above ground? 'Cause there's a monster, it's feeding on the air.
Love the way that guitar's playing in the background.
Of every goddamn soul, it never gets its fill. Of every goddamn soul, it never gets its fill. Bring out your dead, put down your dead, lay down the dead, it's the cemetery. Bring out your dead, put down your dead, lay down the dead in the cemetery. Down your guns, lay down the dead in the cemetery.
That's fucking excellent. What an excellent song. I need to know from you guys in the comments below, if you know this band, is the rest of the stuff like that? Is that a one-off southern rock song? Because I couldn't find anything about them being a southern band. Man, what a great song. Dark southern rock, just how I love it. I mean, that could have been like a Steelwood song. I love the Steelwoods. They're absolutely fantastic, and that is amazing. What an amazing song. The production, once I mentioned it and then was listening to the rest of that song as well, it's so sharp. It's so, like I said, it just hits you. Such a sort of energy to that production. That drum sound is fucking amazing, with all those little intricate guitar bits running in the background. Listen to it with headphones on, full blast. You will love this song. Great harmonies as well, with the vocals as he's singing, and then I can hear backing vocals all the way through it. A great job, an absolutely great job. So probably my single of the day that I've listened to so far. That's my reaction of the day for sure. That's a real surprise. Let me know what you think of the song in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.